Hey guys, still here with my F30 with the airbag install. It is 90% complete. I still have to do the height sensors, and I did get the front summers to fit all the way around. The front tires and rims are kind of close to the bag for my comfort. I think it'll be fine. I don't think I'll have an issue, but just to be safe, I did go out and get two 10mm wheel spacers just to give me that little bit more added security. And then all I'll do is I'll just increase the camber ever so slightly just to make sure that it's going to clear the fender when I completely air out. So I'm going to go ahead and get these installed. They did send some extra long studs so that it'll work with the extra 10 mils clearance. Problem with this is that I won't be able to run my red lug nuts anymore, which is okay. I may get the tops of these powder coated over the winter, or see if I can find longer red ones, or I'm sure we'll figure something out. But in the meantime, this will get me onto the road and get moving, and at least try and drive the car and get some photos and even a video possibly done before winter sets in. Alright, let's get at it, and we'll put these. Alright guys, so I got the wheel spacers on. Now hopefully you can see that. There's a nice gap in between the wheel and the bag now, which makes me feel a whole lot better that I'm not gonna rub and pop a bag, because that would be awful. So now we're gonna test, and we're gonna drop it and air it out and see if the wheel clears the fender. If not, we'll adjust it so that so there's a little bit more camber and the wheel will clear the fender and we won't rub. Okay, so I aired it all out. You didn't get to see, but I'm going to bring it in, the camber in just one more line. It was really tight up against this fender, which is a little bit too close. I think it might do some damage, so I'm just going to bring it out, probably one more line, and see how that does, and we'll go from there. Alright, I just took it for its first spin and seems to drive okay when the bags are fully inflated. It's pretty super stiff, but I guess that's kind of to be expected. You're running almost 120 psi in a bag that is going to be fully extended. So, but during the drive there was, I think, slight rubbing issue going around corners, so I ended up just putting like 10 more psi in the rear bag, so it's almost at 90 psi in the rear bags and 55 in the front, which is what it's actually sitting at right now. It seemed to not have any rubbing issues. Drove pretty nice. We just went and did a few quick photos so that I could load up to the Instagram, which you guys should go check out. When we were on uneven ground, the fender actually is sitting right against the tire, so I think I need to adjust the camber just a little bit more. Then that will give me the clearance to clear the fenders. But overall, other than that, normal driving down the street doing 100, 110, it drove nice. There is a car show on Saturday, the Car L Park and Polish. I'm hoping to attend that show. It's not supposed to be the greatest of weather, but they are opening up the parkade to let cars park inside. Hopefully I'll have the opportunity to park inside. If not, I might just go spectate, check things out, and then come back home. So, just to recap a bit, I need to adjust the camber just a little bit more. I need to check out the front clunk. I'm going to just double check the bolts in the front. It might just be a normal thing of how the bag operates when it's at full height, because when it's not at full, there's no bangs or nothing at all. I'm going to redo the rear lines in the trunk. I'm going to actually have them come in through the tub rather than coming in through the wheel wells. It'll give the trunk a little bit of a cleaner look. You won't be able to see the lines, and I think I'll just be happier with the overall install. But for now, we're just going to drive it and enjoy it, and I'll get the ride height set to how I want it before I'm going to put the height sensors in. So I think I'll probably end up rerouting the rear lines during the winter. I'll install the height sensors in the winter, and who knows what else is going to come for this car. Maybe there'll be some more modifications coming this winter. Stay tuned, please subscribe, and watch for what's coming. Thanks for watching.